a pint jar of my smoked pulled pork. Hey, we're going to make some pulled pork enchiladas. Now this is from the pulled pork I canned a couple of months ago. Hey, this stuff is good. We're going to heat this up, and we got our red sauce there to the right there in the pan, heating up a little bit as it sits there. Hopefully these turn out good. Now, I'm not an enchilada making person on a griddle, but they taste delicious. And I'm going to keep practicing making them enchiladas on this griddle. Oh, look at it. Looking good. Coat a bit of that red sauce on these tortillas. Corn tortillas is what I'm using here. And, oh, I tell you what. Now look at that, it jumped right off of there. Now we'll get some more of these ready here and heat them up before I put them in the red sauce there a little bit. I can tell you what, canning that leftover pulled pork, it's really a good way to go. You know, so many times we leave it either in the refrigerator or in the freezer and it gets freezer burn, or sometimes we just have to throw it out. Oh, I forgot about it. But when you have it on the shelf and you use it a pint at a time or whatever you need, hey, you're going to have it and it's all going to be used. A little meat on that one back there, and put these in the red sauce, get them ready to add the pulled pork to them. Now this is the pulled pork I smoked in my Pit Boss pellet smoker. And the cheese I'm adding to it is just a Mexican blend cheese that a shredded cheese that we're just adding to it. It tastes really good. Well, I'm not real fast at turning these enchiladas, rolling them up there. Hey, but they work. Well, come to find out, I don't have to be perfect at rolling these up because they taste just as good this way. Well, it looks like I need to sharpen the teeth on these tongs to hold on to them tortillas. Or maybe just a tighter grip. You see me throw that tortilla back there just like a professional. Well, we made enchiladas out of my canned smoked pulled pork. I canned this pulled pork about 2 months ago, I believe it was. And this stuff is amazing. It'll last on the shelf at least 18 months. But it's going to be gone before then. And it may even last a little longer. Well, it looks like my griddle enchilada skills need a little buffing up. Hey, we're going to get the hang of this before long, but hey, they turned out great. They may not look like the best in the world, but I'm going to tell you what, they were delicious. And if they are that, they were done just fine. Hey, I want to thank each and every one for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. And have a great day.